Exit made this.
Starts right up. What's going on, guys? I hardly ever buy shoes, and you know I got these camo NMDs. Check these things out. So me being the way I am, I had to get a street bike to match it. Just kidding. Like, I bought this bike because it was a good deal, obviously. This doesn't look as good as it probably does on camera. The street bike is plasti dipped, and you can see how this plasti dip ends up starting to peel up and stuff. So I got Jason over at NT Fairings hooking me up with a ruby red and matte black kit for this bike, and I'm running the MZS levers and my grips on it. Just gonna clean the thing up. It's a pretty easy rebuild.
Hey, send it, brother.